Do you want to learn one of our favorite weekly option strategies to profit from a crashing stock, which even gives us a huge cushion to be wrong? In this video, I'm going to show you why we have WYNN Hotels on our radar screen for possibly selling a bull put credit spread this week, once it sets up, of course, to make daily income from the market's fear and spiked volatility. Stay tuned. It's mastertrader.com. I'm Dan Gibby at Master Trader, and I've been actively trading options for over 25 years because I find them so much easier to trade than stocks to make monthly income. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to learn how to make money investing and trading in the markets. Today I'm going to walk you through our thought process of how we find and trade options using the Master Trader strategies and spike volatility around mini crashing stocks. Here's the hourly chart of WYNN Hotels. We saw this last Friday. We picked it up on various scans, including this one. The implied volatility percentile is 100%. So what that means is its current implied volatility is at the highest level that it's been over the last 252 trading days of the year. So it is very high, and we like to watch these, and that's the purpose of this lesson, of course, to show you one of our favorite strategies on how to profit from these little mini crashes. The daily chart is a big, ugly, wide range bar, but it's coming into the support area. The hourly chart here is a climactic buy setup. We have a bottoming tail here. It's on minor support in this prior gap area, pick up in volume. It dropped 10% on Friday because of the news that dozens of women accused Steve WYNN, who's the founder and majority owner and CEO, of sexual misconduct. The market did not like that, and it suffered a 10% haircut because of it. But I'm obviously not getting into the nature of the news, only discussing ways how we can make money trading options. This is just an income trade to us. Master Trader teaches directional trades where we want a big target because of multiple time frames in our alignment. And we have many income trades where we're just trying to put money in our pocket week by week, where we make money from time decay. That's what this one is. But we definitely need to wait for an intraday bullish setup. But it's on our radar right now. These were the puts. These are the prices of the out of the money 7 days to expiration puts on WYNN when it closed last Friday. The stock closed at 180 bucks, so here's my 180 strike price. Notice that it's selling, the midpoint is $5. So if you were to sell a 180 put, your cost basis, if assigned to you, is $175. So it's giving you a 5% cushion to be wrong for 5 trading days. We, however, at Master Trader like selling out of the money put spreads, once again, when we have a bullish confirmation on multiple time frames, which we don't have right now. Once we do get that, we might jump down $10 out of the money. I guess hypothetically, look at the 130s right here. They're very spready. Hopefully they'll, tighten up a lot. This has the biggest open interest, so that should be a lot tighter, and it should be when the market opens. Hypothetically, if it bounces from here, then we might sell a 130, buy a 160, maybe sell a 170, buy a 155. So the credit we receive is our maximum gain. A few words about these high implied volatility scans, though. Never take a trade unless it meets your trading plan, the setup, the criteria, the reward to risk, and a compelling pattern on multiple time frames. Master traders love selling these high implied volatility, crashing stocks. And mind you, they also occur on rallying stocks. You can have high IV that we use these same strategies, but reverse on a topping pattern. But I call it, I like to refer to this strategy as when the storm passes. We aren't just jumping in here and blindly selling these expensive puts. That would be ridiculous. We're waiting for the chart pattern to set up, which gives us the comfort that the storm has passed, at least in the short term. And then once we're in the trade, we're in trade management mode is all. We're going to profit by selling these expensive puts from theta, which is time decay. So remember, we're only talking about selling a 5-day put that expires this Friday. Once we have confidence that we think there's a short-term bottom, we'll sell those desired puts on Friday. We make 100% of the profit, provided WYNN closes above that short strike. We're also going to make money on Vega contraction. Don't worry about these Greek terms, just think about the concept. What that refers to is the implied volatility rank of WYNN is 100% right now. That's like that's like living in South Florida and there being a Category 5 storm offshore. Fear is rampant. If you wanted to buy protection, buy hurricane insurance, buy puts on WYNN, that's why they are incredibly expensive right now, because people are scared of what's going to happen with the news surrounding WYNN and the stock. So when that Vega, when the storm passes and that high volatility contracts, even if the stock goes nowhere, we make money as volatility contracts, and that's because of Vega. Plus directional moves, so if we're fading here, plus gains that we will get from directional moves. So if we're calling a bottom and it starts to retrace, delta is going to be smaller. So again, don't worry about the Greeks, but we're going to be making money on a trade like this from all three of these components of option pricing. Do not trade if this pending news and the spike in volatility is involving a FDA announcement on drugs, biotechs, accounting irregularities. Just stay away from those. Those are the kiss of death in our opinion. Or any other big material event that you can't control. We want the news to already be out, and then we're watching the chart patterns for the entries. This is our Master Trader Weekly Options Trader service where we give trades like this. It's a fantastic way to generate weekly income, and we're just calling short-term tops and bottoms, and we get paid for it. We combine the Master Trader method with our chart patterns, volatility analysis, and we're selling expiring options because of option pricing, theta evaporates rapidly into expiration. It's like a melting ice cube. And since we sell options, we want that profit to be in our pocket and against the option buyer. This service allows us terrific opportunities with gap trades, earnings trades, failed patterns, climactic and volatility trades, as you just saw here in WYNN. We have our own defined portfolio of liquid stocks, ETFs, currencies, commodities, etc. And then we have our scanners, of course, where we're looking for opportunities throughout the entire day. That's all for this video, and do yourself a favor and check out our weekly options trader. It's really going to help you make money easier than you ever believed. Feel free to post in the comments section below any questions that you might have, and be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the bell if you want to receive valuable content and trade ideas to help you make money investing and trading in the markets. Thanks so much for watching, happy trading, and see you next time.